Not only me, each and everyone's face is like that now. This is how the steps are.
Buddha bomma,
What's up guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. So we are here at Aurobindo Ashram. So this opening time is 8:30 to 11 and 4 to 6. Only in these timings you can visit here, and you can search more about this in Google. So we are going inside. Mask is compulsory after COVID. So now I am leaving my shoes here. Already those people are entering there. So let me also go in. And today's plan is to go to Mahabalipuram, which is 94 kilometers from here, and then come back here and stay for this night, and go to Chennai tomorrow and watch a movie. And then go to take the train, which is at 10 p.m. in the night. Okay, so I think vlogging is not allowed inside, so bye. Just now completed visiting the Aurobindo Ashram. It is very peaceful, and don't forget to visit that. So inside that it has there is a samadhi of Sri Aurobindo. So and this is a small community, and inside that also we can see variety of flowers. It's very peaceful. So must visit place in Pondicherry if you come. So time to check out this room, and we are shifting to another room for only for this night. So we got the same cost, 2,500 per 2 rooms, 6 members. So that means around 350 to 400 for each. So we are going now there. So we will shift all our luggage from here to there and then move to Mahabalipuram. Just now checked into our new room. So I will give you the room tour after coming from Mahabalipuram today night. Okay? Let's go to Mahabalipuram now. Bye. Bye. Let's go. I think this is Pondicherry Engineering College, I guess. Yeah. This is Pondicherry Engineering College. Pondicherry University. This college is also given through CHOSA counseling, which means JEE Mains 4. So it is a GFTI. So this is the advantage of bikers. No need of paying toll and waiting for toll. Your small ride update. Just 43 more kilometers left from here. So we stopped here for a drinks break. We are having tender coconut. So to avoid dehydrating, we are using this. So one more thing. Just now I said that I will say something, right? So if you are planning to travel in this route, so when you see this PRTC or TNRC RTC buses, so give side, because they are riding really rashly. Totally rash driving. So take care of that. And don't forget to use helmet. So here is our helmet. Because safety is first. So time is exactly 1:12 p.m. now. Still 43 kilometers. So I think we may do that in another 1 hour. So after that, after going there, one temple and one fort is there to visit. So we will visit them and we will come back on the same route to Pondicherry. Finally, we are here at Mahabalipuram. Just parked our vehicles there. So it exactly took around 2 hours. 2 hours from Pondicherry. So I said right, beware with the traffic rules here. because no one follows it. So while riding or while driving, so be careful. Now I think we have to take a entry ticket here. Then only they will allow us inside. These are the entry tickets. So for each one 40 rupees a ticket.
Yeah, for foreigner 600.
For foreigners 600. 6 pick.
Sharan. Billy.
Hello Arjun. I think you can see that is a beach and there is a temple. Looks amazing. Zing zing.
Hey.
Please explain us about the train incident. Just. That's a totally shopping center. Just now we got the information that this is the hottest city of Tamil Nadu, Mahabalipuram. So that's why maybe you can see my sweat on my face, right? Not only me, each and everyone's face is like that now. Done with exploring of temple. Now I am back again in the parking lot. I have to take my bike and then go and have some lunch. Then we'll go to Mahabaleshwar. Sorry, Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is in Maharashtra. So this is Mahabalipuram Fort. So we are here at the Mahabalipuram Fort. So entry ticket here is 35 rupees. So if you want the tickets, there is a, I think 500 meters. So half kilometer from here, we have to go to the ticket counter and get the tickets, and then we can enter here. So if not, there is a QR code here. You have to scan that from Paytm, and you can also book the tickets there. So one time only 5 tickets will be available. So as we are 6, Gautam is doing 5, and I did book myself. And now we are ready to go inside the Mahabalipuram Fort.
Are you? Agra.
So this is very planned here. Again stairs are coming. Hardik. So this is the lighthouse.
Yes.
I work this now, present.
View kosa.
You can see the view from here. Our Yashwant is here, so he wanted us to get onto this lighthouse, so he wanted to take photos from there. So this is the entrance ticket again here, each 10 rupees. This is how the steps are. So this is how it looks from the top of the lighthouse. So I don't want to risk my phone here, so I will log after going down. Lighthouse, this is how it looks. Really loud it. Time to leave Mahabalipuram now, so we are starting from here now. So time is 5 PM So we should do this 95 to 100 kilometers in within next 2 hours. So by 7 we should be there in Pondicherry. So let's start our ride. So already 15 kilometers done. So we stopped here for filling fuel. This scooty is drinking like water. I don't know the reason. Maybe because the rider is Prabhat and Pinyan is Yashwant. Both. We are somewhere around 40 to 50 kilometers away from Pondicherry. So we just stopped here for a small photo shoot. Scenery looks really awesome. Pondicherry to Chennai, this road is called East Coast Road. These roads are one of the best scenic roads I have ever been on. And thing is, like, only one thing I didn't like here is the rash driving of this. Just now you've seen, right? So like these buses. So rash driving. So you should be more careful while riding on this highway. So they are not even like maintaining any traffic rules. Drivers are really very rash at driving. Both Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry government buses. So only that is a bit concern on this road. That's all for this video, and this may be the last video of this series. And today is the last leg in our Pondicherry trip. And so time is literally 1:30 PM in the night, and we are still at Rock Beach. We really loved this place, and it's peaceful. So we don't want to leave this place and go back home. That's why we are staying up till this time in the night. As tomorrow we are moving to Chennai, and we'll watch a movie there, and then get back to the home through Chennai Central railway station. We'll get into the train there. So this is how the plan is. So we both are here, and other 4 people are having a photo shoot near the Mahatma Gandhi statue. So now we are going there, and so that's all for this video. And if you really like this video, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the like button, and do also comment and do share. And bye bye. పిల్లడా అంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీసివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ చుట్టుకుంటివే. సాత్విక్, ప్రభాత్, కార్తిక్, గౌతమ్, కార్తిక్. Underground metro.